In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new slide in Google Slides. Whether you're putting together a presentation for school, work, or a personal project, knowing how to efficiently add slides is crucial. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Slides. You can do this by opening your web browser and either typing Google Slides into your search engine or going directly to the Google Slides homepage via its URL. Once you're there, it will prompt you to sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Make sure you sign in using the account where you'll want to save your presentation. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here, you'll have several template options to choose from. If you're starting a brand new presentation, you have two choices. You can either click on blank presentation to start from scratch, or select a template that suits your theme or the message you want to convey. If you're working with an existing presentation, simply click on it to open. Now, to add a new slide to your presentation, which is the focus of today's tutorial, you'll need to locate the new slide button. It's typically found in the toolbar across the top of your screen. Go ahead and click on this button and a new slide will instantly appear in your slide deck. Alternatively, if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can quickly add a new slide by pressing Ctrl and M on your keyboard. This is especially handy if you're aiming for speed or efficiency. Once you've added a new slide, you might want to highlight or modify elements within it. Google Slides makes this step straightforward too. By clicking on the highlight tool in the toolbar, you can emphasize text, change font colors, or make other visual adjustments to make your new slide stand out. This is particularly helpful if you want to draw attention to key points or elements in your presentation. And there you have it. Adding a new slide in Google Slides is as simple as following these steps, allowing you to build and customize your presentation with ease. Remember, mastering these basic skills is an integral part of becoming proficient in creating effective and engaging presentations. So go ahead, try these steps out, and watch your presentation come to life. Thanks for tuning in and happy presenting.